What's up guys, back here with another video, and today we're going to show you how to get your own customized, your own keyboard, like anyone would you like. This is my keyboard right here, this thing right here, this. I already got a keyboard, as you guys can see. This is my custom keyboard. Comment down below if you think it looks good. Now, this video is about showing you guys how to get one. So, what you need to do is go to Play Store. And once you're on Play Store, you just want to type in, this. Kia Keyboard 2020 emoji keyboard. Basically, it has a lot of keyboards that you can choose from. You just click open on it. Once you installed it, just click open on it and then hit that. Okay. You have a decision of all of these cool keyboards. You can pick any one. There's millions of them. I don't know what you guys think. You can pick any of these. I personally pick. I have picked one, but I'm gonna pick the next one to show you guys. So let's see what keyboard I should pick. Guys, I found the keyboard. What I got, I think this is it. It's a similar. This is one that looks like the keyboard what I have now. So right now I'm just going to take this Nike one. So once you pick the keyboard which you want, you just click download on it. And here's the keyboard. It should just carry you to Play Store. You'll have to install it. So guys, once it's installing, you can just, once you get it, you just apply it and it should be on. So, there, it's already done. So, once it's done, just gonna go and it's just gonna open. It's connected with the keyboard app.
I think I'm playing chess, I see his king, I met his neck. I'm 3 steps ahead, every move, now that's a check, yes.
Guys, you saw some ads. Don't worry about that, just agree to their stuff. So all you have to do, guys, is just click this apply button right here. Just click apply. And once you apply that on, it'll say green, neon, whatever. It will say that it's enabled. So what you guys want to do to check it is to go to your home. I'm going to go to YouTube. I'm going to pull out my keyboard, guys, and show you guys. So guys, this is how it look. Comment if you guys like the keyboard. You guys, it looks very good. So yeah guys, that's it for the video. And if you guys enjoyed the video, please subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!